Hello, I'm Lawrence. Today I'm going to show you guys my face char melting on my face. First thing first, I need to cover my eyebrow using alcohol to wipe my eyebrow in order to remove any excess oil. Now, I'm going to use almond glue to press down on my eyebrow. Then, I'm using a brush to brush up all the hair. Using a hair dryer to blow dry the glue. After that, I apply one more layer with glue to make sure all my eyebrow hair sticks together. Then, blow dry again. Using a makeup remover wipe to clean the extra glue. Here, I suggest you to use powder puff to set up your eyebrow. I'm going to use a Crown and TB pen stick. Color is FS33 to cover my eyebrow. I'm using a beauty blender, so it blends in nicely. After that, I set up the loose powder by using a powder puff. Applying some moisturizing primer with a brush. I'm choosing a nice coverage to match my skin tone foundation and apply it nicely by using a beauty blender. If you want to set up your makeup well, always apply loose powder by using a powder puff. I like to sketch the line by using a Makeup Forever concealer pencil. I'm going to use 4 eyeshadows from light to dark. This eyeshadow palette is from MAC. First, using dark brown to draw the outside line. Then, I use a light brown color to blend. In order to create a better gradient, don't forget to add some black eyeshadow on the edge. Now, I'm using a Crown and TB pen stick. Color is 070 with a small brush to fill in the space I sketch. Then, I'm using a Makeup Forever black color cream to paint the space, including forehead, ear, and cheek. I'm using dark brown eyeshadow to blend the edge of the black color cream in order to create 3-dimensional. I'm going to do my eyebrow by using Makeup Forever black color cream with a small brush. Using a Makeup Forever concealer pencil to draw a tear shape. Then using dark brown eyeshadow to sketch the outside shape with a small brush. Fill in all the tear area by using a white color crayon TB pen stick. Using brown eyeshadows to create a 3-dimensional. Using light brown eyeshadow to draw the precision of the nose first. Using black color cream to draw a melting nostril. I'm going to use a light, medium, dark 3 brown eyeshadows to do a 3-dimensionality of the sculpture nose. Highlighting nose and making tear groove deeper. Because I need to do the inner eyeliner, so I have to use a mirror to do it. Applying some black eyeshadow on my eyelids. Using a black liquid eyeliner to draw the black tear. To enhance the tear area by using a white color crayon TB pen stick. I'm going to use black eyeshadow to make the area of the tear and eyelid to look deeper. Using a black liquid eyeliner to add the corner of the eye. First, I'm going to use a brown lip pencil to sketch the lip frame. Then, using a red lip pencil to fill inside. After that, using a red lipstick to cover on the top. I'm going to use a black color cream to do the middle lips and the lip frame. To embellish the bright parts of the lips and the eyes by using a NYX white liquid eyeliner. Finally, embracing the bright part of the eyebrow to stand out. It can make this look more three-dimensional. Okay, I finished it. I hope you guys could enjoy my face painting. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.